with the trade unions and the organizations representing persons with a disability, EDIL. But if you want to know what we want from the Parliament, we want to know an initiative report on the sector to make the invisible visible. And that's something the Parliament can do, I think, and there is real added value. We saw that when the Parliament starts to really look into the issues and make the issues visible, like indeed, as said, you were not here yet, but our study made clear that around 9 million professionals working in the care sector, in fact, are not visible, are not seen, because everybody thinks they belong to the health sector. And what is correct for the nurses and doctors is also correct for the social sector. It is not. It is not. Not in terms of working conditions, not in terms of type of work they do, not in terms of how they are seen by society and valued by society or not. So an own initiative report is, I think, what we need if we want to make progress in this field. What do we want from the Commission? From the Commission, we hope to, together with you, to use the already existing instruments to look at this sector. The skills agenda was mentioned. I only partly agree with you that the European semester it's harder. I agree, it is much harder. But I think that there is an angle that we can use, and as said by Marianne, in some countries the European semester already tackled or pointed at certain issues at member state level. The social dialogue instruments, also competence of DG employment, I think, are underused in our field. It was said by EPSU. EASPD says that since many years, so we should further develop that. And there is, of course, the social rights pillar, which is for all of us, I think, a new opportunity to look at where we are in our fields. Why? Because, and there I agree for 200% with you, Johan, what we discuss here is not only about employers, it is not only about a workforce, it's about the type of society we want in the future. How do we want to support each other? How do we want to make family life possible? How do we want to have an active and lively economy? It is about the type of society we want, and it is clear that we need support workers for that. We need a well-trained workforce for that. Although I agree also with what was said by the representative of Enil, we have to think creative. But we should not forget that it is not only about a sector that is complaining, it is about the type of society we want in the future. And we as an organization, we are available to work on that together with the Commission. We employ 10 million professionals, our sector, not EASPD. Our sector, the care sector in broad terms, employs 10 million professionals. The sector created 1.6 million new jobs in the middle of the crisis. And there are still so many open vacancies. We hear it day in, day out from the colleagues in the field, and we can't convince young people to work in the sector. So let's do something about it. Let's create together new jobs. Let's create more inclusive societies where everybody can contribute and everybody can enjoy the rights everybody should enjoy. And then indeed, I think we can do something about this negative attitude that is hanging around Europe and European institutions at the moment. But thank you very much. Thanks to the team of Mr. Becker for organizing, for helping us to organize this event. And thanks to all speakers. You will receive the report and we will annoy you with ongoing requests and demands. Thank you. Enjoy the afternoon.